Hello my friends traders, this is Caroline Alizan, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, March 30th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. Hope you're ready to analyze that good looking chart here with me. So let's get started and check this out, guys. Wow, what a nice breakout to the upside here through the high of last Friday, which we talked about here about it yesterday, and it was at the 57.22 mark, as well as that upper area of resistance up here, which I mentioned to you yesterday at the 57.30 mark. As well, we are breaking through that pink trend line, which was acting as a significant area of resistance. So we are breaking up to the upside at this point in time, and we're closing above it. So what we need to pay really close attention to tomorrow is that high of today, which is at the 57.43 mark. So put a little trend line right here and pay close attention to that, as well as the low of today, which is at the 57.08 mark. So watch these areas here really closely. And if we break through the high of today and we close above it, we could head all the way up to that next area of resistance on our way up here, the 58.30 mark. And then if we are able to break through it and continue to the upside, closing above it, then we could head all the way back up to the high of 59. Where was the high? The high was of 59.04. So here is the high of 59.04. So put your lower areas of resistance right here on your chart and watch them really closely once we get closer and closer to it. But if we do not break to the upside, if we decided to head back down, we'll have to first of all break through the low of today, which is at the 57.08 mark, as well as it's sitting right on this area of support, which is acting as a support area right now, this pink trend line. It's sitting right on it. So we'll have to break through that, as well as break through this red moving average, which is sitting at the 56.91 mark, and then we could head all the way back down to that 8 moving average, which is sitting at the 56.39 mark. So pay close attention to that. And look at this. What is happening with the MACD here at this moment? It is heading north. It's getting closer and closer to the zero line, and with another positive tick. So we are heading up according to the MACD, but we are still below the zero line, which means that we're still in a bearish territory. So we could head back to the zero line and then break back to the downside again. So watch the MACD very carefully right together with your chart. And look at this. Look at the volume. It's not really impressive. It's really low. It's way below the average. So I am not really convinced here at this point in time. If we got a spike like here, I would just pay close attention to it. But right now, we're heading up on really small volumes, so watch it really closely with the MACD as well as with the Qs, with our candlesticks. So hope it helps you. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.